Is the India First Life Fortune Plus plan your gateway to financial security or just another policy with hidden catches? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what is this policy is about. This is a non-linked participating individual life limited premium savings plan. Some of the key features of the policy are you can ensure long-term financial security for your loved ones with life insurance coverage for up to 15 or 20 years. You can also enjoy financial protection throughout the policy term while making premium payments for a limited period. And in the unfortunate event of the life assured's passing, you will receive either a lump sum payout or income spread over 5 years, and you can benefit from regular guaranteed survival payouts along with potential cash bonuses, so if declared after the premium payment term. And you can also receive a lump sum maturity benefit to support your long-term financial goals. So these are some key features of this policy. Some benefits are like income benefit, maturity benefit, death benefit, bonuses are available, and if you want to know more about these things in detail, you can refer to the policy brochure. Now let's move on to understanding the advantages and disadvantages of investing in this policy. So some advantages are you can enjoy an enhanced maturity benefit factor when opting for a higher premium, and you can defer your guaranteed survival benefit along with any declared cash bonuses and earn additional interest on the accumulated amount. You can also get a discount for making yearly renewal premium payments and add a waiver of premium rider to ensure your loved ones are not burdened with future premium payments. And you can avail a loan of up to 70% of the acquired surrender value for financial flexibility. These are some advantages. Disadvantages are your policy term only it offers is limited flexibility with your policy term, and the sum assured may not be adequate to meet your family's essential financial needs, and the returns are also suboptimal for a long-term investment. So these are some drawbacks that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. So in this policy, as we have a basic understanding about it now, let's move on to the analysis part of the video. So basically the policy's cash flow is straightforward. You pay premiums for a limited period and receive payouts upon maturity. But beyond these payouts, evaluating the plan's viability requires analyzing the internal rate of return also, which is the IRR. So that's why now we are going to conduct an analysis on the IRR of this policy. So for example purpose, we have taken a benefit illustration from the policy brochure. So for calculation purpose, let us assume that a 35-year-old male purchases this policy with a sum assured of 15.75 lakhs. The policy term is 15 years and he pays an annual premium of 1,50,000 for 10 years. So if all premiums are paid, the maturity benefit including bonuses is provided. The projected returns are based on assumed investment rates of 4% and 8%. But these figures are not guaranteed and do not reflect the maximum or minimum returns one may earn. So at 4%, the estimated maturity benefit is 16.90 lakhs, yielding an IRR of just 1.14% as per the policy's maturity calculator, which is lower than typical savings account rates. And at 8%, the projected maturity benefit is 21.53 lakhs, resulting in an IRR of 3.46% as per the policy's maturity calculator, which is even less than bank fixed deposit returns. Despite the 15-year duration, the plan's returns fail to keep pace with inflation, making it ineffective for wealth creation. Additionally, the life cover is inadequate to provide meaningful financial security. Given these shortcomings, this policy may not be a suitable choice for meeting your financial goals and may even hinder your overall financial plan. So as this policy is not giving us a desirable outcome, now we are going to conduct a comparative analysis between this policy and an alternative strategy where we are going to separately invest in insurance and investment. So here for insurance purpose, let us assume that we have opted for a pure term policy with a 16 lakh sum assured, which cost approximately 9,900 in annual premiums, whereas the India First policy charges you 1,50,000 for a sum assured of 15.75 lakhs. So by investing the premium difference here based on your risk appetite, you can generate significantly better returns. So if you are a high risk investor, you may prefer equities, but if you are a conservative investor, you might opt for debt instruments. So in this example, we have opted to invest the surplus funds in either a PPF account or an equity linked savings scheme, ELSS. So you can see both the combinations, term insurance plus PPF or term insurance plus ELSS, to give you a better idea. So in the PPF account, you can see this requires a minimum 15-year investment. So adjustments were made in the final year due to the 10-year premium payment term of the pure term policy. So the maturity value stands at 29.34 lakhs, yielding an IRR of 6.44%. For the ELSS fund, the investment grows to 48.52 lakhs over 15 years. So with a post-tax value of 44.36 lakhs and an IRR of 10.45%, this alternative strategy not only provides you with life coverage but also delivers superior returns compared to the India First Life Fortune Plus plan. So for those seeking both robust financial protection and wealth creation, this policy falls short. So, what is the final verdict on India First Life Fortune Plus plan? Is it worth investing or not? This is an endowment policy that offers flexibility in receiving benefits. So, you can choose to receive survival income at regular intervals or accumulate it and receive a lump sum at the end of the policy term. However, beyond this flexibility, it remains a traditional endowment plan. An analysis of returns reveals that this is a low yielding product, making it unlikely to help you achieve your financial goals. Additionally, the sum assured is relatively low and may not be sufficient to meet your family's essential financial needs, and it also has high agent commission. Overall, this policy falls short in both life coverage and investment returns. So to build long-term financial security, it is essential to create a well-diversified investment portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance, goals, and investment horizon. At the same time, choosing a pure term life insurance policy is a prudent decision as it provides for cost-effective, high coverage tailored to your future goals, current earnings, and liabilities. So traditional plans that combine insurance and investment often fail to support a strong financial strategy. Instead, a goal-based investment approach will help you achieve better financial outcomes in the long run.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.